From Aliexpress, 99 cents. With welcome deal, or the regular price is $1.99, you can get this amazing Arduino module. And what is it? It's an original 0.96 inch OLED display module, 128 by 64 pixels screen board for Arduino. And using this OLED screen you can do fantastic projects. It comes in 3 different colors: white, blue with yellow on the top, or the all screen in blue. Works on 5 volts 4-pin connection with the Arduino board. I ordered it and I got it. And here it is, Arduino OLED screen, 4-pin, 128 by 64 pixels, work on 5 volts, and it's tiny. And let's measure the dimensions. 27 millimeters by 27 millimeters, this OLED screen. And as I told you, using this OLED screen, 128 by 64 pixels, you can do amazing projects like this. And I made this project a couple of years ago, I think, and it's a game console, portable game console using a coin battery, 3 volts, the OLED screen, the Arduino chip, which is ATtiny85, a buzzer, and 3 push switches. And take a look how awesome it is. It's a space attack. Oh, you can shoot the aliens and play the game on this tiny OLED screen. All the information how to make this will be in description below, so you can check it and download the files, or to see the whole video how I made this game console. Come on, man. Oh, high score 270. Okay, let's see the next. And what is it? This Dino 3D printed Dino gadget. Just to plug in, it works with the USB. Plug in and take a look. It have a RGB LEDs, self-fading RGB LEDs, and a OLED screen, and it's a little weather station. And you can see on the screen it shows the temperature, it shows the pressure and the humidity. Inside there is a sensor for measuring all that stuff. Also there is a Arduino Nano board inside, the OLED screen and the sensor. And I placed a couple of RGB self-fading LEDs that turn out pretty cool. The case is 3D printed, also will be in description below, so you can check it if you want to make it. And you need to admit it, it looks amazing. And this project was for my children. This gadget sits on the table in the room, and they can monitor the temperature, the pressure and the humidity, and in the same time it's a desk lamp, RGB desk lamp. Alright. Okay, so you get it using this small OLED screen, 128 by 64 pixels, that you can get from Aliexpress, and the link will be in description below. That cost with welcome deal $1, regular price $2. You can make awesome Arduino projects like this, and I love them. a game console, a tiny game console with retro games. Or you can do a project like this for your children. Okay, I hope you liked today's video. Please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. See ya! This is adorable.